str object does not support item assignment. I would like to read some characters from a string S1 and put it into another string S2. However, assigning to S2J gives an error. In C, this works. My attempt in Python.
In Python, strings are immutable, so you can't change their characters in place. You can, however, do the following. The reasons this works is that it's a shortcut for. The above creates a new string with each iteration, and stores the reference to that new string in S2.
The other answers are correct, but you can, of course, do something like if you really want to.
Assigning to S2J gives an error. Strings are immutable, so what you've done in C won't be possible in Python. Instead, you'll have to create a new string. I would like to read some characters from a string and put it into their string. Use a slice.
Strings in Python are immutable, you cannot change them in place. What you are trying to do can be done in many ways. Copy the string. Create a new string by joining all characters of the old string. Slice and copy.
If you want to store it, we have configured substitute.